for Cookie.
Forget cookies, C is for cutbacks. And when the producers of Sesame Street announced them, the parodies weren't far behind.
Usually we have sunny days at Sesame Street, but today, unfortunately, is not one of those days.
This is not the official announcement. This is the voice of viral video comedian Philip Wilburn delivering the bad news.
Reducing our job forces by 20%.
67 out of 355 staff positions are being cut. On Muppet blogs, sadness reigns. Wall Street is one thing, but Sesame Street? The world is coming to an end.
Ready.
Count Von Count
One halt.
seemed worried his days were numbered.
Yes.
How many jobs are we talking? One job. Two jobs.
The real producers of Sesame Street wouldn't specify which jobs will be cut. Repeat after me, kids. L is for layoff, R is for recession, F is for foreclosure.
Bird, why aren't you in your nest on Sesame Street?
The big bank took it when I defaulted on my adjustable rate mortgage.
Actually, this comedy bit foreshadowed the Sesame Street layoffs. Mad TV did it months ago. U is for uninsured. So when the Cookie Monster's insulin levels dropped,
Cookie no have health insurance, so Cookie have to cut off own foot. These for diabetes.
despite the attempts at humorous headlines, Oscar the Grouch gets canned. It's a safe bet that 20% of positions eliminated won't include the star characters. S is for sorry. We're sorry to be making fun when we know real people are losing their jobs, but losing our sense of humor wouldn't help, though there are worse things to lose.
I lost one of my feeties.
Ginny Mo, CNN.
Diabetes is what is wrong with Cookie.
New York.